Down where I work, there's a man named Stu. Don't let him near your hen house if you know what's good for you. He'll have all your chickens be gone before you know. You'll never see your hens again. He'll take them and he'll go. Chicken Stew. Yeah, they call him Chicken Stew. Tell them all around the hen house, watch out for Chicken Stew. Well, at first, them chickens love him. He makes them feel just right. And then before they know it, he's got them in his sights. He likes them breasts, thighs, and wings. He likes them chicken heads too. He likes them fried, fricasseed, baked, boiled, and barbecue. Chicken Stew. Watch out for Chicken Stew. Tell them all around the hen house, watch out for Chicken Stew. Here comes my lead break. Stu went to the pen, y'all. We're taking chicken free. He said, when I get out, I'm going straight to KFC. Well, I heard a noise in my hen house. I went to look in trembling fear. All my girls were gone. Just a note said Stu was here. Chicken Stew. Yeah, they call him Chicken Stew. Tell them all around the hen house, watch out for Chicken Stew.